Good morning, David. I was just reviewing Mr. Jones's progress in room 512. We've been working on his ambulation post-stroke, and while his left-sided weakness is improving, his balance is still quite compromised.
Good morning, Mihira. Yes, he's been very diligent with his exercises. We've noticed he's much more stable with the quad stick now than when he first arrived. His dysphagia has also improved significantly, so his oral intake is much better. He did have a slight issue with constipation yesterday, which we've addressed, but that seems resolved. The key concern, however, and what's really hindering his discharge planning, is the persistent ankle equinus deformity on his affected left side. Despite consistent passive range of motion exercises, we're seeing very limited dorsiflexion, which is making independent transfers extremely challenging and significantly increasing his fall risk.
Yes, the plantar flexion contracture. I've been noticing that too. It's a significant impediment to achieving a functional gait pattern.
Precisely. We're finding it difficult to get his foot flat on the floor during standing pivots, and it necessitates much more assistance than we'd ideally like for his level of overall strength. This is really impacting his ability to safely manage his own toileting, for example. It is completely natural to feel a bit of uncertainty when a new medical test is scheduled, MIHIRA, but this stress test is a very gentle and effective way for us to see exactly how your heart performs when it is working its hardest. During the procedure, we will carefully monitor your heart function while you are walking on a treadmill or using a stationary bike. As you move, special equipment will track your heart rate, your heart's natural rhythm, and your blood pressure in real time. This allows us to see how well your heart handles physical exertion and ensures that your heart muscle is receiving all the oxygen-rich blood it needs to stay healthy and strong. The primary purpose of this test is to provide us with a clear picture of your cardiovascular health that we might not see while you are resting. MIHIRA, by making the heart work harder, we can identify things like narrowed arteries or silent heart disease that sometimes stay hidden during normal daily activities. It is a vital tool for diagnosing coronary artery disease and helps us understand if your heart is getting enough blood flow. This information is incredibly valuable because it allows us to create a personalized plan to keep you feeling your best. We will be right there with you through every step of the process to ensure you feel safe, comfortable, and supported.